Solve the equation e to the 4x plus 4 e to the 2x minus 21 equals 0. This is an exponential equation, so we will need to find a way to combine the two terms with the unknown x. But they are not like terms. One is e to the 4x and the other is e to the 2x. However, by observation, we notice that the e to the 4x is e to the 2x squared. E to the 2x, the entire expression raised to the 2 power is e to the 4x. Every time in an equation, one term can be rewritten as the square of another, then we will end up with a quadratic equation. But first, e to the 4x is e to the 2x squared. The second term is 4e to the 2x minus 21 equals 0. We let t or u or any letter equals e to the 2x. Then the third term in terms of t is t squared. The second term in terms of t is 4t, and the number negative 21 is still negative 21 equals 0. What we did in this case is a substitution so that we can solve the equation indirectly. We let t equals e to the 2x. We now solve for t, but remember, we will need to find out what x is for the given equation in terms of x. To solve this quadratic equation, we can either factor or use the quadratic formula. To factor this, we notice that negative 21 is the product of 7 and negative 3, and so this is t plus 7 times t minus 3 equals 0. Check this again. T times t is t squared. T times negative 3 is minus 3t plus 7t is positive 4t. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Since it is the product and it is equal to 0, we can read off the zeros. The zeros are t equals negative 7 and t equals positive 3. But these are not the solution because these are t. For each of the t we found, we would do a back substitutions. First, t equals negative 7. We would write this as negative 7 equals e to the 2x. And we see that there is no solution in this case because e raised to any power is a positive number. Even if we take ln both sides of the equation, we cannot take log of a negative number. We move on to the next t. T equals 3. And again, we would do a back substitution. T is now 3, and the right hand side is e to the 2x. To get to x, and since the base is e, we would ln both sides of the equation. Ln of 3 equals ln of e to the 2x, but ln of e canceled out, so we end up with ln of 3 equals 2x. X equals 1/2 ln of 3. This is the solution we're looking for. Most likely, we will simply leave the answer in this form, but if we want the decimal approximation, this is 0.5493 using a calculator. And most likely, in solving an equation, we want the answer in the exact form.